And I like this cartoon. It says maybe there. Let's call him as Charlie and Tom. Yeah? Charlie and Tom. And Tom said, "I taught Stripe how to whistle." So this dog's name is Stripe. And then Charlie goes to Stripe. I don't, I don't hear him whistling. Yeah, Charlie said, "I don't hear him whistling." And Tom said that. "I said I taught him. I didn't say he learned it." That's right. So it is assessment which help us distinguish between teaching and learning. Tom did teaching and Charlie assessed, right? But Stripe didn't learn. So if you want to see if your teaching is right, you need to assess to see if your teaching is right, your teaching is understandable, your teaching was effective. Okay, so assessment is very important to see if you're right. Okay, so I like this cartoon, and I'm gonna introduce more